Here we are in a demonstration of a melting technique to remove the undesirable protrusions or pins from this cage affair. We are in need of removing 16 central pins here on this cage affair. This is an injection molded part, and the idea here is to find an easy and effective way to remove the immediately centered 16 pins so that it will not obstruct with the current product that we're producing. And the way this system works is we have this cage. It's simply mounted on a very simple little fixture, and it's just a demonstration of the technique. This is a simple little drill press stand, adjustable height, which we can move up and down. And in a minute we will integrate the cage and support affair inside the little drill press stand, adjustable vertical drill press stand, and below it we've located a small little simple hot plate, and this is a disc of metal that's placed on the hot plate just to show that we have a heating surface. The way this is going to work is this surface will be heated up to a melting, above the melting point temperature of the cage, and then we're going to take and press the cage up against the hot plate, where the pins that we want to remove will be only the ones that will be in contact with the hot plate, with the result of melting the tips away from the cage down to a predetermined depth, eliminating the pins that we don't desire. So the next segment of this video will be a demonstration of that. Okay, now we've got the cage affair set up in the drill press stand. As you can see, it's movable up and down. This is the hot plate. It's heated, and in the next few seconds we're going to take and drive the cage up against the hot plate with the intention of melting off the 16 pins we'd like to remove. And it's all set to a predetermined depth, so we won't go too far, but it's just a simple demonstration of melting the tips. Here we go.
Your hand is in the way. Okay.
Okay, now we've just melted it off. We'll see what we get. Okay, here's the result of our test that we just demonstrated. As you can see, the 16 pins in the center have been effectively reduced to the same height as the adjacent pins, effectively removing them from the central portion of this injection molded part. The other outside pins are not affected, and it effectively, in one operation, removed them all pretty effectively. In this particular demonstration, it probably took about 10 seconds or so to do one of these. So theoretically, you could do, let's say, 5 or so parts, 5 to 6 parts, maybe a minute. So rather than laboriously, individually cutting these things out or other techniques, this is a process or a method to consider. And that's it.